Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2005 Suzuki Z400 Quadsport. This bike is in fantastic condition, just been through the shop, brand new tires, runs perfectly, 5-speed transmission, reverse gear, electric start, Yoshi pipe. Come on by and make your quad sport dreams come true for just $47.99. This bike's probably not available for financing, so it'll be a cash deal or credit card. Come on by, check it out, make us an offer. If we can do it, we will. Don't wait long, this thing's gonna be sold. Check it out on our website, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean used bikes in stock. Nerf bars. Did I say Nerf bars?